Crypto guys, it is our last chance for a fairer monetary system. The current monetary system allows for one thing. Rich keep getting richer, poorer keep getting poorer, and the middle class are going to completely vanish. They're going to get wiped out. And that's the way it's designed, and that's what's happening over a period of time. So we've got this new thing that's called crypto. It is a fair way of everybody to participate in a new monetary order, guys. And this is going to be the biggest. It's going to be the biggest distribution of wealth in world history. So we need to get our hats on. We need a plan. And what I'm doing is splitting my portfolio into different goals. This is going to be my yacht folio. So I'm going to be buying a yacht at the end of this portfolio. I'm damn going to be buying a yacht at the end of this. So you can follow me on my journey, and this is going to be the journey of success. Am I going to end up with this old knacker here? Am I going to end up with this, about $25,000? Or am I going to end up with this, about $75,000? I'm adding DYDX to the portfolio today. Here's why, and here's how the portfolio looks as a whole. This is DYDX. DYDX is currently trading at 91 cents. It's forming a descending channel. We're going to talk about that very shortly. But what about the rest of the crypto market? Is it a good time to be buying right now, or is the market too greedy? Let's take a look at the fear and greed index, and you can see that we're back into fear. So over the past week, over the past month, neutral and greed. Now we've flipped back into fear. We've had a bit of a downturn. You can see that we were in this descending channel. What does a descending channel mean in DYDX? What's the psychology behind a descending channel in a trading pattern? We'll talk about that very shortly. So you can see that on the day, the crypto is down as a whole, the crypto bubbles, probably between 4 and 8% down. On the week, a little bit more, guys. We got some big movers here, 17% for the downside on Jasmine. You got 21.2% on Matic. So this raises opportunities. It's good when we've got a pullback, when we're building on the portfolio, because otherwise we'd be buying pumps. We need to be scaling out on pumps. I want the expensive yacht, guys. I don't want the cheap wooden thing. Right, okay, so that's the bubbles. Right, join our Discord group, guys. Keep up to date. Keep track of the portfolio. Keep track of trades. We've been doing leverage trading in there. So get yourself on there. It doesn't cost anything. I'll leave a link in the description below. And the portfolio as a whole, we're down 116.73%, down 8.4%. So we're down 8.4%. We've been doing this just over a month. The rest of the market, we can gauge that against the rest of the market. You got 29%, 35%, 36%, 29%. So if you put this 8.4%, if you put this portfolio over the past month into the bubbles, it'd be one of the top performers there, guys. So it's not all about making profit straight away. We want to be scaling on the way down. And if you're scaling on the way down, unfortunately, that means that you're scaling into a loss on your portfolio. In an ideal world, we'll know where the bottom is and we just chuck everything in at the bottom. But we're not in an ideal world. We need to build, unfortunately. That's the way it works. Right. DYDX, descending channel. What is the psychology behind a descending channel, guys? It's signaling exhaustion. If we go back and we look at this dump here was a volatile spike, and you've seen that the bears were fully in control. Why was that? Because we lost the 200 daily moving average. Once we'd lost the 200 daily moving average, that signaled one thing to the bulls. Your turn is over. What does that mean? They're leaving the buy orders. The sell orders are building up and building up and building up. And then you get a huge volatility spike to the downside. We dropped the 200 daily moving average. That's something that we need to be looked to regain going forward. However, from a building perspective, from a trading perspective, guys, you've got to have certain conditions that need to be met. From a building perspective for the next bull run, that's fine. That's fine. You're building at low levels of support, and we can zoom out and we can see support, 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 low levels of support. We've got no lower levels of support than that. So you're building at the bottom here. You're building at the bottom. So this is the reason behind it. And a descending channel is signaling one thing. We've seen volatility there. That was when the bulls knew that they'd lost. However, there's a battle going on here. What's this? This is a bear pennant, guys. So there's a battle going on here. There's a battle going on here. We've dropped that. What happens? Volatility. Volatility to the downside. The bears have got control. The bulls know that they've lost here. And now we're in a descending channel where we're putting in lower highs, lower lows, lower lows. However, we're not getting the volatile spike to the downside. The bulls are fighting here. The bears are fighting here. There's a tug of war battle happening between the descending channel, and the bears haven't got the control to get that volatile spike to the downside like previously. So this is signaling once we've got a breakout of a descending channel is a bullish pattern. And once you get a breakout of a descending channel, then you're going to get a bullish move. You'd expect the acceleration that you got here to reverse to the bull side. So you see, guys, simplicity is the key. Split your portfolios, have goals for each portfolio, know exactly what you're using it for, and use it wisely, guys. What is it that you really want? Think about that. What is it? A new house, new car? What is it that you really want? That's your goal. That's what you're working towards. Make sure that you structure it. Make sure that your plan now is executed during the bull run, because you're going to think that the price is going to keep going up. You're going to think that what you've invested in is going to be here in 5-10 years time and it's going to go to the moon. Well, guys, you've got probably more chance of winning the lottery if you think that's the case. So make sure that you do stick to your plan. Keep your head screwed on. Hold yourself accountable. Get yourself in the Discord group. We hold each other accountable in there. Follow me on my journey and find out what yacht that I'm going to end up with. See you in the next one.